Friends, today we have the newspaper of 4th July 2024, and the first news is about Champi quit to make way for Hemanta's return. As we know that the Chief Minister of Jharkhand is in jail due to a scam, and he got relief, he got bail recently, and soon after getting the bail he will take charge of the office. And regarding this, MLAs from JMM Lead Alliance unanimously elected Hemant Soren as new leader. He will release on bail in money laundering case on June 28th. BJP accuses JMM of playing the dynastic politics. Second news is about we must arise above politics for peace in Manipur, say Modi. Hathras stampede toll hit 121 people. Organizers pins blame on anti-social elements. 2611 accused Rana can be extradited US Attorney General. Pakistan origin Canadian businessman Tasavvur Rana wanted in India for his role in 2008 Mumbai terror attacks is extraditable under the planned provisions of the US-India Extraordinary Treaty, a US Attorney General has told a court. Assistant US Attorney Criminal Appeal Chief Brahim Alden was making a closing argument before US Court of Appeal, where Rana has appealed against the court by a US District Court in California that denied his writ of habeas corpus. Rana 63 jail in Los Angeles filed a writ in May challenging the court order, which accused to request of US government that the 2611 terror accused be extradited to India. Move on to the next news. Student outfits hold protests against NTA Sikh Pradhan's ouster. And in the same case, recently the CBI has take charge and the arrest two culprits, and we talk about that news in upcoming page. Next news is about security increase outside the Rahul Gandhi residence in New Delhi. VK Singh paid tribute to Kargil hero Captain Pandey. Kargil War of 99's hero Captain Manoj Pandey, who was awarded Paramveer sacrifice during the Kargil War. And in Army Welfare House Organization in Indripuram, Ghaziabad, VK Singh paid tribute to Kargil hero. SGF invite application for Vidyan scholarship. SC to hear CM bail plea tomorrow. Light showers bring respite from heat. Several area report traffic waterlogging. New MP government present first budget amid protest by oppositions. Mohan Yadav lead BJP government focus on women, agriculture, education of 18,984 crore for flagship Ladli Behan Yojana. Significant rise in allocation for health, infrastructure, Finance Minister Jagdish Devda refrained from introducing new taxes. As the question can be asked about the scheme that Ladli Behan Yojana is related to which scheme? Jailed radical Amritpal Singh may take oath as MP on July 5. CISF constable who slapped Kangana shift to Karnataka. Another bridge collapsed in Bihar, seventh incident in 15 days. Bombay High Court judges rescues from hearing Salim's plea. Day first of Rajasthan Assembly budget session disrupted over absence of governor's address. Kalaikurichi Huchi tragedy, not a sequel to 2023 incidents in Villupuram, Chenagalpattu, Tamil Nadu government. 26 North Andhra group seeks inclusion in Telangana backward list. Calcutta High Court nod for protest by BJP outside Raj Bhavan. Gujarat High Court rejects state government probe report in Vadodara boat tragedy. Mumbai Ahmedabad bullet train expected to be begin operational in Gujarat by 2027 end. Since the project is in a more advanced stages in Gujarat, it is prudent to start commercial operations here first and then expand service to Maharashtra. Lonavala drowning tragedy. Maharashtra announces 5 lakh each token of victims. Pune district administration has imposed prohibitory orders at several places effective from July 2 to 31. Catch of arm recovered at encounter site in Chhattisgarh. We will rebuild Amaravati city as soon as possible. Chandrababu Naidu. As Amaravati is a unique concept of capital under which the Chandrababu Naidu want to make Amaravati as the most sustainable city of India as well as a city of world, and for that he contact with the state government of Singapore and seek participations. Then after 5 years the government changed in Andhra Pradesh and Jagan Mohan Reddy came into the power. He scrapped this Amaravati deal and bring new trilateral capital concept of having for Andhra Pradesh, and in between two concepts the development of Amaravati impacted a lot, and the ultimate sufferer are the people of Andhra Pradesh. 3 new criminal laws, name only in English. ASG. Unified mass held peacefully as faction sting to agreed plan. Amphibious vessel project remain non-starter in Kerala. SC issue notice to MSBCC over report on Maratha quota. This editorial is about trials, medical ethics and the orbit of power. In India, the primary graduates that are supposed to be a check on the abuse of medical ethics do not function. It talk about the medical professions and the ethics and the need for reform in medical sector of India and health and care infrastructure of India. Factory accident appointed to rusty inspections reform. The recurring of the same kind of industrial disasters highlight the need for more meaningful reforms in the inspection process. This talk about treasury bench and the oppositions must uphold parliamentary traditions. Avoidable tragedy. Gatherings should be tightly regulated to prevent Hathras type stampedes. Humility in public discourse. This is the This is the article or opinion of Aditya Reddy about the recent remark of RSS chief, and it also include the several statement of prominent historical figures like B.R. Ambedkar. The rise of far right in Europe and its ramifications. Another overview of the French election. Recently, as we see that the rise of right-wing parties or far right-wing parties in Europe or in the North America or South America is increasing, and the result is that there is a new election in Europe, in France, as recently new election take place in European Union, in which the rise of right-wing party lead to the dissolutions of government in France, and new French elections are going on, in which the data shows, the statistics shows that the far right party again in an edge and making high and forefront to form government. Till Russia do us part, NATO at 75, an enduring alliance. Hathras stampede amid the dead, search on for the living. Petition in SC6 panel to probe Hathras stampede. Army chief reviews security along LOC in Jammu and Kashmir. Rajendra Khanna is additional national security advisor. There is a lot of change in the Ministry of External Affairs, and the security, internal security arrangement and foreign policy decision taken management system. Family of Agniveer killed in landmine blast will get compensation of 1.65 crores. No Indian industries presence in board of National Research Foundation. Center issue advisory for ads on food and health product only. Kharge not allowed to intervene during PM's reply in the walkout. Expense PM remark on Chopra and Sandesh Kali, Trinamool. Returned Indians stuck in Ukraine war zone, Jaishankar to Sergei Lavrov. Recently, the SCO meeting going on, and on behalf of our Honorable Prime Minister, our Honorable External Affairs Minister is representing India, and during the conversation with Russian counterpart, he raised the issue of Indians that is stuck in Russia and that are lured to Russia for employment, good employment, but they forced to join Russia's defense force and sent to the front line. Now India wants its citizens bring back to home. Government reconstituted cabinet committees, several NDA partners included in panels. In a report of 2023, vegetable price upset family budgets. Consumer Affairs Ministry says situation will ease soon, but wholesale price of tomato have gone up by 65.7%, onion by 35.36%, and potato by 17.57% in past 30 days. Official data, next harvest of tomato in states such as Karnataka will ensure supply. NCERT textbooks for 3 subjects of class 6 will reach student late. India to host 46th UNESCO Heritage Panel Session. Air pollution spike may rise death rate in cities with cleaner air, says study. State States GST kitty to rise 13 to 14% this year. Rating upgrade reset on physical deficit S&P. Equity returns in next 3 years won't be good as last 3. Franklin Templeton plan re-entry into fixed income market. JSW Infra unit to develop cargo berth at Tuticorin port. Star Health Eyes doubling GWP to 30,000 crore by financial year 28. Domestic rubber crunch hitting tire makers hard. India face high debt but sustainable for now. NCAER. Russia's Dagestan ban niqab over threat following recent attack. Russia claim to have captured key Ukraine town of Khazir. Japan top court ruled forced sterilizations law unconstitutional. Hurricane Barry killed 7 as it churned toward Jamaica. Labour in lead, Tories vote to fight as UK goes to election. Sunak performance has been disappointing, Rajesh Agarwal. UK migrations policy has to change to match the time. Taliban US envoy discussed the release of 2 American prisoners. Brazil held by Colombia to face Uruguay in quarterfinal. Second round of national motorcycle race from today. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.